Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews brought to you by hollywoodfrodo.com. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this wireless charger by a company called Raigen. This is a awesome looking charger. As you can see, very executive, nice looking charger. Not quite so plastic as most of the ones that you see that are out there, and that's why I love this thing. Comes in this white gray color as well as a black charcoal color, and that looks really good. Now yes, there is a giveaway associated with this video. I'll give you instructions on that in just a little bit, but first I want to get to the review of this product. Now as you can see, I would say the main feature of this product is the design. It has a very nice design. It has that cloth covered back. You can see in my room I have this on my desk right next to my Google Home, and it matches perfectly. And then I have the other one over on my spouse's side next to our Amazon Echo, and it matches that perfectly. And it has the black with the charcoal cloth cover. But that's really what makes these wireless chargers stand apart from a lot of the ones that are out there, is the look and the style. Very nice, simple, executive looking. Now other cool features, whereas a lot of chargers will have an LED light on the front, obviously this doesn't, but it has LED light on either side here. And this light comes on when you first put your phone on it. It comes on to let you know it detects and it's charging, but then it cuts off. So it doesn't stay on and blind you if you have it by your bedside and it's dark. It just comes on to let you know that, yes, I sense the phone, it's charging, and then it cuts off, which is nice. Now this is a quick charge, fast wireless charger if you have a phone that is equipped with that. And here's another awesome thing about this product. Now you can see this cord is attached. A lot of times the wireless chargers will have a micro USB plug, and you have a wire that you plug into that, and a lot of them also just come with the charger and that wire, and that's it. Well, this charger has an attached wire, so you don't have to worry about plugging and unplugging it. It is built in, and they include the charger with it, and this is a quick charge 3.0 charger. So that's awesome, because almost all wireless chargers do not come with the actual charger. You have to buy that separately. But with Raigen, they include this in the package. So that's really cool that they do that. And you can use this along with this wireless charger, but you can also, if you needed a quick charge without wireless charging, you wanted a fast charge, you could unplug this and plug in just a regular micro USB or Type-C charging cord and plug it to your device, like your Galaxy S10, and get a direct fast charge. So it's awesome that they included that quick charge charger in the package, and it's a very slim charger, so I like that too. It's very much smaller than a lot of the quick charge 3.0 chargers that I have, so it's easy to plug it in any open slot you have. So I love that about it. Getting back to the charger though, it will charge with that fast wireless charging. If you have an Apple device, it will charge at the fastest wireless charging rate available for your iPhone, which is what my spouse has. It works great for that. A couple of other features about this: it does have the rubber feet on the bottom to keep them sliding around, and then it does have this rubber tray here at the front. Now one thing I will say, there is with a few of these, there is a little bit of a quirk of the design. I talked to the manufacturer and they're working on getting that fixed. So if you happen to order one and you have an issue, you can contact them and see about getting it replaced. But the one I got, for example, when I put my phone on it, this part is a little bit too forward, so that my phone can't sit down here in this tray. There's not enough room between the bottom of this and the tray. Instead, it sits sort of on top of the lip there. Now with my phone, that actually works okay. At first I thought, well, I don't know, it might slide off, but it hasn't slid off. I've been using it for, I don't know, several weeks now, and it hasn't slid off once. So I'm like, oh, okay, well, it works fine with my phone. But if it didn't, then I would have to send it back and get one that was further back, because it isn't able to drop actually down into this tray. Again, it works fine with my phone, and the manufacturer said they are aware of that, and they've already been working on correcting that. So by the time you order one, hopefully that won't be an issue, but if it was, you can reach out to them and they'll make it right, that I'm sure of. Another cool feature about this is they do have the vents there on the back to make sure that when it's wireless charging, there's no overheating happening. It has a way to cool through those vents, so that's a nice feature as well. Overall, a really great design. Like I said, since I got these and have one on my side and the black one on my spouse's side, and just the way it looks, I'm like, yeah, I like the way it looks. When I walk in my room, most of the chargers, and I mean, I have some great chargers I've reviewed in the past, and they are great, but not as executive looking or as nice looking. They just, they look like your standard charger. Nothing wrong with them. They're great chargers. But this I love because of the look and the style and the design. It looks nice sitting on your desk, whether that's like a desk at work or on a nightstand beside your bed. It's definitely a higher style. Function-wise, it's the same. If it works, it works. So a wireless charger that works is a wireless charger that works regardless. But style-wise, it's hard to beat the look and the design of these. Now, I did say that there is going to be a giveaway associated with this video, so before I forget, let me tell you about that. If you want to enter that giveaway, Raigen has agreed to give 2 lucky viewers one of these for free. So how to enter that? First, it's only for people who live in the United States. I know, I'm sorry, I know I do have a lot of viewers and subscribers that are international, but international stuff can get really complicated, so this is only going to be for people who are located in the 50 states. All you have to do is post a comment in the comment section below as to why you want one and where you would use it. That'll be good. Just post that, and then 7 days from now, out of everyone that's posted, 2 people will be chosen at random, and then I'll reply to your comment in order to reach out to you to get your information so that Raigen can send you your free wireless charger directly. It'll be coming directly from them. So post down below for that. As far as anyone who doesn't win, if you're interested in this, it is available on Amazon, of course. I'm going to have a link in the description below. You can click that link, you can jump over to Amazon, you can read what other people have said about the product, other people's reviews, and you can pick one up for yourself. They are very affordable, and especially considering, remember, they do include the Quick Charge 3.0 charger with the wireless charger. And these 2 things combined, great price, because a lot of companies that just sell you the charger with or the wireless charging device without the actual plug charge almost the same, and then you have to go buy the Quick Charge 3.0 charger separately, which adds a lot more cost. So with this, you're getting a great deal and a great beautiful looking design, again by Raigen. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, please share this video with them. All those wizards down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with my product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. Besides entering the contest to win one, I'll do my best to respond to questions as quickly as I can. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.